Are you planning a trip to Qatar? Whether it's for the breathtaking skyscrapers, rich culture, or incredible desert adventures, I've got you covered. Stick around as I break down essential tips and tricks to make your trip smooth, fun, and unforgettable. First things first, let's talk visas. Qatar offers visa-free entry for citizens of over 95 countries. But if you need one, applying online through the Haya platform is super easy. Just check your eligibility in advance to avoid any last-minute surprises. Qatar has two main seasons, extremely hot summers and pleasant winters. If you want to explore comfortably, visit between November and March when temperatures are cooler, and major events like the Doha International Book Fair and Qatar National Day celebrations are happening. From ultra-luxurious hotels like the Ritz-Carlton to affordable boutique stays, Qatar has options for every traveler. Want something unique? Try staying at a desert camp for an unforgettable Arabian experience. Transportation is super convenient in Qatar. The Doha Metro is cheap, modern, and connects major attractions. Taxis and ride-hailing apps like Uber and Carwa are widely available. If you love road trips, renting a car gives you ultimate freedom to explore the desert and beyond. Now for the fun part, must-visit places. Souq Waqif is the best spot for shopping, trying traditional Qatari food, and immersing yourself in the culture. The Pearl-Qatar is a luxurious island with stunning views, high-end boutiques, and waterfront cafes. The Museum of Islamic Art is a masterpiece of architecture and a treasure trove of historical artifacts, making it a must-see for history lovers. And of course, no trip to Qatar is complete without a desert safari, ride the dunes, witness breathtaking sunsets, and experience true Bedouin hospitality. Qatar is a blend of modernity and tradition, so respecting local customs is important. Dress modestly, especially in public places, as a sign of cultural appreciation. Public displays of affection are not encouraged, and alcohol is only available in licensed venues like hotels and select restaurants. Being aware of these customs will help you have a respectful and enjoyable trip. The local currency is the Qatari Riyal, QAR, and most places accept credit cards. Budget travelers can enjoy street food and free attractions, while luxury seekers will find plenty of high-end experiences to indulge in. And that's your ultimate Qatar travel guide. Now, you're ready to explore this amazing country like a pro. Hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments, what's the first place you'd visit in Qatar?